Good evening to our listeners. We are continuing to follow the developing situation on Lake Kariba, where a DDF boat carrying 90 passengers, as reported by the police, and 5 crew members capsized today. Rescue efforts are underway, and we have a journalist who is on the ground at the scene. Obert, thank you so much for joining VicFallsLive. You are actually there on the ground. Just briefly tell us, what are you seeing? What is happening right now?
Okay, right now we have the rescue team from Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority, the SRP, that's Zimbabwe Republic Police, and the military, that's the army, who are on the ground making sure that everything is in order. 90 people have been confirmed that they were on that boat.
Yes.
Then out of that number, 74 according to the report, have been rescued. Then the other number is still missing. So, that's what's happening on the ground as of now. And the police, or maybe the authorities are still busy on the ground, making sure at least they try to find the other missing passengers who were on that boat.
Okay, and we are hearing rumors, information that the number was likely more than the 90, and there were also children. We are seeing that on social media. What are authorities saying, and about the casualties as well? We are seeing it on the social media. What have you verified?
So far, there is no official information from the authorities. I tried to call the police about 1 hour ago, but there is no information as to how many people were on that boat. But as you said, social media is saying that 164 passengers were on that boat, and it's not yet confirmed whether that's true or it's not true.
Okay. Where was this boat going or coming from, and where did this accident occur?
Okay, the boat was it's a GDF boat. It was coming from Kariba-based going to Chalala Fishing Camp, where the accident occurred this afternoon. And then the accident occurred at Long Island. That's about 20 to 30 kilometers from Kariba-based.
Okay, what time was this?
Around 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
All right. Would you have anything else to add for us?
I think maybe the other issue is the rescue team is still continuing, and I've been told that the team from Zimpax, the police, and the Zimbabwe National Army will be up maybe in the next 30 or 40 minutes.
Okay.
So we have to go there and get more details.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Obert, for the update. Viewers will continue monitoring the situation and bring you verified information as it becomes available. This is a developing story from Lake Kariba. Thank you so much, Obert. Have a good evening.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
All right. Goodbye.
I think